Haman Kamareke with Face the Facts, and I dare say, when you see them work to status to get development, know that that is an individual who does not know their role. Now, since its early days, radio has remained a powerful medium of communication in Kenya, informing education, entertaining, and bringing communities together. Decades later, it continues to hold a special place, even in a digital age dominated by screens. But with the rise of artificial intelligence, questions now emerge on whether technology is enhancing radio production or posing new ethical challenges. Speaking in Nairobi, stakeholders warn that while AI is streamlining newsroom operations, it has to remain a support tool rather than a substitute for journalistic voice, ethics, and human judgment. Our reporter Wanjiku Wanjiru has this story.
Radio did more than just broadcast information. It created connection, community, and comfort. It was the first technology to make the world feel smaller. Decades later, its relevance remains unmatched. Radio is still the most accessible, personal, and immediate form of communication, a trusted companion, and a community-centered medium for millions.
The people in our societies are able to still get the raw information, the raw knowledge that we still give them on radio, and they get it the way it is, even as they are limited to internet, limited to power, and so on.
Radio is going to be here for the next 100 years. All these other things will come, but there's one thing that is constant. There will always be somebody who does not have time to watch TV, to watch their mobile phones.
A lot has changed over the years. From analog to digital, technology has made work easier and more efficient.
Back then, ukifanya blanda kidogo tu, you lose your job. But right now, what you all you have to do is undo, because we have all just touch screens and everything.
Radio has found its way into smaller gadgets like mobile phones and all that. So the transformation has really helped us go across areas where transmission couldn't reach people.
As new presenters and shows continue to emerge, radio veterans who shaped the industry are also being remembered and celebrated.
Truthful, and obviously think on your feet.
The older radio presenters actually paved the way for what we know today as radio, the legendary people who made it possible, who really transmitted and changed the world. Like Leonard Mambo Botella and the rest of the teams. The guy who used to do this show, Ed Quach, may his soul rest in peace.
Speaking in Nairobi, stakeholders warn that while technology presents new opportunities, it must remain a support tool rather than a substitute for journalistic voice, ethics, and human judgment.
We must therefore be clear. AI must assist journalists, not replace them. It must enhance editorial capacity, not erode it.
We commit to a future where radio remains vibrant, innovative, trusted, and fully integrated into Kenya's digital transformation while staying true to its public service mandate.
Despite being guided, a lot will still be left to your discretion.
As we celebrate World Radio Day, we remember radio as a powerful tool of communication that has stood the test of time and one that will continue to evolve and remain relevant for years to come.
Happy World Radio Day!
Wanjiku Wanjiru, KTN.
To everybody in